Hello folks, welcome back. In this demo, I will show you how to add a moving background in PowerPoint slide. So let's not waste any time and get straight into the video. This is the PowerPoint slide. So what I want is I want to add a moving background to this slide. So this text will stay on the top and I have a video which will just play in the background of this slide. So to do that, I will click on the Insert tab from the menu and then I will click on Video and then I will click Video on my PC. So I have downloaded a video on my PC from the free royalty videos, so you can get them online. I will select that video, insert it on the page. So now you can see the video is there, but the text is in the background. So what I have to do is I have to do right click on the video and send to back. So what this is going to do is it's going to send this video to the back and bring the text on the front. Now you can see the text is appearing on the front. I can rearrange my text position depending on the video, and so I will move the title a little bit up, the PowerPoint image icon up as well, and the subtitle drag it a little bit down. So if I now do the slideshow, hit on the slideshow, I don't see that video is playing itself. So what I want is the video, when I click on the slideshow, it should start automatically in the backend, a video, and then you go to format. You can do a couple of corrections, so you can change the brightness of the video. So this looks a bit better now. You can also change the colors, make it black and white. I will just reverse that. And you can add a poster, you can reset design, or you can apply any of these design, or you can even crop the video as well. I'm not interested in any of these. I have to go to the playback tab. So if I click on the playback tab, now you can see a few options here. You can see the fade in, fade out option. What I am interested in is the start. In click sequence is selected by default. I need to change it to automatically, so the background can start automatically. And also I will select loop until stopped, so it will keep looping until the video is stopped. Now if I go and run a slideshow, you can see the video is playing in the back end and the text is appearing on the front. This is really a nice and professional way to show moving object in your slideshow to engage your audience. And once this video is finished, it will just keep looping until I go to the next slide. So that's it for today. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel by pressing the red subscribe button below this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. If you have any queries related to this video or anything related to Office 365 in general, post in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer. Thank you.